Start the week off right. Going to town, go thrifting. That's exactly what I intend to do. Let's hope we got some good stuff at the thrift today. Meanwhile, Eating knows we're leaving. You're gonna be good while we're gone? Are you good, sweet kitty? Yeah. Day's not complete without a trip to the dump. Gotta be kidding me. Just raised the price again. Lunch was amazing, as usual. We watched a Nicolas Cage movie, and now I want to check the wind outside. It's crazy. Ooh! It's windy. The ocean caps back there. You want some pants? Is it too windy for you? Is it too windy? Are you relaxing in the sun? Are you tricking me to pet your belly? Let me see. Pet her belly. Does she like that? I'm gonna pet her belly. Ow. Oh, is she gonna attack? She gonna attack. She tack, 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 tack. She's okay. She's okay. Oh, not my leg. You may recall I mentioned the avocado tree needed some neem oil. It also needed some pruning because of all the leaves, and Doug has done that. Look. Yep, that's the tree right there. It'll be fine, I guess. This gigantic pineapple plant. Look how big it is. Huge. Nothing in there yet. Here's the kitty that's a little bit too close to the driveway edge. What you doing? Another amazing weekend in paradise. Just doing this and that and nothing. Got more weekend kind of things to do. Laundry. I'm gonna bake something, I think. I probably should do one other productive thing. I don't know. It's the weekend. I just don't know. And I'm retired. In the middle of the chaotic weediness, there's a bromeliad. Look how pretty that is. Just hanging out. Oops. Okay. Had your nap? Today, Doug said the dew point was 47 this morning. It's 56 right now. He has explained that to me before. We even have video, I can't remember. But anyway, this is probably one of those days when I would wear yoga pants all day because it's that chilly. I mean, I'm not, but I think this is a day when they would come in handy. So I'm just gonna go sit back under my electric blanket because it is chilly today in Hawaii. It's 73 degrees and breezy. That is cold. I had goosebumps. It is cold today. It's Sunday. She just popped up from her hidey hole sleeping spot. It's 68 degrees. It's chilly. It's gray. I did some things, got some laundry done and cleaned my bathroom, and we just had lunch and we watched a movie like we like to do at lunch. Oh, high recommendation. The Rip with Matt Damon and Ben Affleck. Great. It's really, really good. Lots of twists, which I really like. But anyway, I'm not doing anything else today. I might read a little bit, but I'm tired, and like I said, it's cold. It's cold for here, trust me, okay? It's about 20 degrees colder than when it's real hot, so. Anyway, keep me in your thoughts as we navigate this difficult time. And the dog in the back must be cold too, so. We'll wrap this video up, and thanks for hanging with us.